Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can log in and access Ameris Bank Mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in amerisbank.yourmortgageonline.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will end up in this Ameris Bank Mortgage Services page, from where you can access to your account or register for a new account. To create a new account for Ameris Bank Mortgage Service, click on Register at the top right. Follow through the registration prompts in order to create a new account. To log into an existing mortgage account online, make sure to enter your username in the login page. Type in your correct username in the first text box and type in your password on the next. If you don't remember your username or your password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password and follow through the on-screen instructions till the end. After you are done typing in your username and password, click Login, and you will then be able to log into your Ameris Bank Mortgage account online. So that's it for today's video. That is how you can easily log into Ameris Bank Mortgage Service. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.